Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and good. Welcome to math class, grade 5, chapter 1, the fish tail. Today we are going to see the topic about estimation. What is meant by estimation? It means to find something close to the correct answer. So when a number is rounded to a lower number, we say that is rounded down. Example, 52 is rounded down to 50. When a number is rounded to a higher number, we say that is rounded up. 68 is rounded up to 70. Rounding off to the nearest 10. To round off a given number to the nearest 10, find out the multiple of 10. That is nearest to the given number. Look at the example. Round off 23 to the nearest 10. This 23 lies between 20 and 30. So on a number line, mark all the numbers from 20 to 30. This 23 is closer to 20. This we can say rounded down. So this 23 is, we round off to 20. And then next, rounding off to the nearest 100. To round off a given number to the nearest 100, find out the multiple of 100, that is nearest to the given number. Look at the example. Round off 230 to the nearest 100. This 230 lies between 200 and 300. This 230 is closer to 200. This we can say rounded down. So we round off 230 to 200. And then next, rounding off to the nearest 1000. To round off a given number to the nearest 1000, find out the multiple of 1000. That is nearest to the given number. Look at the example. 6670 to the nearest 1000. So this 6670 lies between 6000 and 7000. So it is closer to 7000. This we can say rounded up. So we round off 6670 to 7000. Look at the example sum. Round off each of the following numbers. What is the sum is given? 21,620 to the nearest 1000. In this thousands place, what is given? 1620 you want to take. 1620 is lies between 1000 to 2000. So we round off 21,620 to 22,000. Look at another example. 47,580 to the nearest 10,000. So in this 47,000 lies between 40,000 and 50,000. So we round off 47,580 to 50,000 is your answer. And then next, estimate the sum, difference and product. So the sum you want to find out nearest 1000. What is given? 6,78,215 plus 3,41,692. Add these two numbers and your answer is 10,19,907. In this answer, you want to round off nearest 1000. In this 1000, what is given? 9,907. It lies between 9,000 to 10,000. So we round off. It is near. Which one is closer in this number, 9,000 or 10,000? 9,907 is closer to 10,000. So we round off 10,20,000. 10,20,000. And then next example. 65,321 minus 42,010. Do the subtraction carefully, children, and your answer is 23,311. So this answer you want to round off to the nearest 1000. In this thousands place, 3,311 is there. 3,311 lies between 3,000 to 4,000. So it is closer to 3,000. So we round off 23,000. And then next product. 3,210 into 5. What is your answer? 16,050. Yes. This you want to round off to the nearest 1,000. In this 1,000 what is there? 6,050 is there. In this 6,050 lies between 6,000 to 7,000. So we round off 16,000 is your answer. And the next topic, metric unit conversion. So the metric measures have a number and a unit of measure. The metric system is based on the decimal system. Hence, they are measured in units of 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Meter is the standard unit of length. The short form of meter is m. Gram is the standard unit of weight. Short form of gram is g. Liter is the standard unit of capacity. The short form of liter is L. At the conversion time, bigger unit into smaller unit, do the multiplication, and then smaller unit into bigger unit, do the division. Okay children. Look at the tabular column. Metric prefixes and number of units is given. Kilo is 100 units. Kilo is 1000 units. Hecto is 100 units. Deco is 10 units. And meter, liter, gram are standard units. That means it is equal to 1 unit. Deci is 1 by 10. We can written as 0.1. And then centi 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. And then milli 1 by 1000 is equal to 0.001. So the conversion of bigger unit into smaller unit. What do you want to do? To convert a bigger metric unit into a smaller unit, multiply by 10 for every step as we move towards the right this way. Okay children. And then conversion of smaller unit into bigger unit. To convert a smaller metric unit into a bigger unit, divide by 10 for every step as we move towards the left. This way you want to move. Divide by 10. Okay children. Using the conversion table to solve the sums. Okay children. What is the sum is given? 2 by 5 kilometer to meter. 2 by 5 kilometer. This kilometer is a bigger unit. Meter is a smaller unit. So look at the sum here. Kilometer into meter. Where is kilometer? Consider as this is kilo. So this is kilometer. And then that standard unit. It is there meter. So 10 tens are 100. 100 into 10, 1000. Okay children. So you want to multiply with 1000. 2 by 5 into 1000. So how many times you are going to cancel in this? 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. And then these two remaining zeros as such you want to add with us. So your answer is 2 into 200. What is your answer? 400 meter. And then look at the next example. 830 liter to DAL. What is mean DAL? DAL means decaliter. Look at here. So that symbol indicates DAL. So the deca, the symbol is DA. Deci, the symbol is D. Okay children. So DAL that indicates decaliter. So you want to convert liter into decaliter. What is that? Liter into decaliter. So look at here. Where is liter? That unit, that standard unit is there. Liter. So you want to convert decaliter. Smaller unit into bigger unit means what do you want to do? Divide by 10. Okay children, look at the sum. 830 is given. So how much you want to divide within the sum? Divide by 10. So 830 divided by 10. Your answer is 83 decaliter. What is your answer? 83 decaliter. Yes children. And then next fill in the blanks is given. Look at how to fill in that. So what is the sum is given? 684. In this, how many hundreds and how many ones is given? So this is ones, tens, hundreds. Consider this. How many hundreds? 6 hundreds. And then remaining these two ones. How many ones? 84 ones. And then look at next one. 684 centimeter is given. So you want to convert into meter and centimeter. How to solve? Look at here. 684 centimeter you can split and write 600 centimeter plus 84 centimeter. This you want to convert into meter. So what do you want to do? Divide by 100. Using the conversion table, check your calculation children. Okay. 600 divided by 100. So your answer is 600 divided by 100 is 6 meter. This plus 84 centimeter add and write as such. So 6 meter 84 centimeter is your answer. And then look at another example. 40,563. In this how many thousands are there? 40 thousands. And then remaining how many ones? 563 ones are there. And then look at another one. 40,563 gram. You want to convert into kilogram and gram. How to convert? So this 40,563 gram you can split and write 40,000 gram plus 563 gram. So this gram you want to convert into kilogram. What do? You want to divide by 1000 within the sum. So 40,000 divide by 1000. So change the unit kilogram. And then plus 563 gram. Write it as down. This 40,000 divided by 1000 is, what is your answer children? 40 kilogram. Yes. As such you want to write 563 gram. Your answer is 40 kilogram, 563 gram. I hope you understood this topic. I given the homework in your workbook children. Do properly. We will meet again in the next class. Okay children. Thank you all.